Yo, Bianca's, no, I'm just kidding, it's Polish Alien and Bianca, the best lesbian couple on Instagram. Oh my days. These are obviously like heads of like people Bianca's eating because she's so hungry. Key. Why are these games the same? Stupid song. I can't, yeah, Bianca's writing so bad, I can't read that. Press F to pay respect. Bianca! She's been eating a lot of people's hungry hippo. Oh my gosh, this game's so bad! Where's the horror element in these games? They're so bad! I'm so bored! Oh my gosh! What is this? It's like press F. Press F for what? Bianca, I know you're in there. There must be Bianca's toilet paper. It needs like a hard, rusty toilet paper. What's back here? Finally, I know where we're at. I got the key. Bianca, you look so cute. Oh my gosh. No, that's one of Bianca's victims. She got hungry. I had to like eat their brains. Yeah. Bianca, where are you? One of Bianca's victims. That's Polish Alien, actually. Polish Alien, wake up. Polish Alien, you didn't put on your makeup today. You look kind of chopped. Oh my gosh, Polish Alien, why are you staring at me? Oh, it's just you. She's pretty obsessed about herself. Classic Polish Alien. What's she watching? Misandry. We hate men. We hate men. Men are evil. Men are evil. Oh, she's looking like little girls. Classic Polish Alien. Oh, Polish Alien! Polish Alien! Polish Alien! Get away from me! No, Polish Alien! Stop it! Polish Alien, stop! Oh my god! My asshole! Polish Alien, no! Polish Alien, stop! Oh my days! Oh my days, Polish Alien, why would you do that to me? Oh, stop molesting me, put me back in the basement. Alien, where are you? Oh my god. Polish Alien, no! No, you make me get away! Get away! Y'all can help me! Y'all can help me! No! No, Polish Alien, stop running! Polish Alien, I know I'm so beautiful, but please stop, Polish Alien! Oh, Polish Alien! What the fuck? Let's go to this side, no! Bianca's table! Yo, Bianca ate all the food. Oh my god, all Bianca's victims. What's this? Yo, where's all the food gone, Bianca? Bianca. Oh, oh my god, guys! Oh, stop! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Yo, her fat bees gang are getting me. Oh my days. Yo. Let's try one more time. Polish Alien, please let me out of the basement. Please, Polish Alien. I'll become a Sanders like you. Polish Alien, please. I'm sorry for making fun of your fat videos. Okay, let's try and get out of here. Gosh, what do you mean? Why is Bianca's eating in there? Bianca, please let me in. Bianca, please. Bianca, I know I won't steal any food, Bianca. I promise. I'll let you have all the food. Just let me in. Polish Alien's coming after me. No! Oh my gosh, it's going on, Polish Alien! Oh no! Oh hell no, Damian, Polish Alien. Polish Alien, no! No! Polish Alien, stop! Stop, Polish Alien! No! Okay, phew, we're good. Oh, I don't want to be around Polish Alien. Oh, it's like a dead end up here. Polish Alien's trapping me, she's hunting me down. Yo. What cut the chains? Is that like Polish Alien? Is that like what Polish Alien wants to be like a human? Yo, It's oh my gosh. No! You're so jump, Polish alien. Go away! Go away! Oh my god! Bianca! Bianca, open the kitchen! Bianca, please! Bianca, stop eating all the food! Oh my god, I don't even know how to get back down. I actually regret leaving the basement. Okay, phew, let's hide. What's this? What is this? I don't want Polish alien's shitty artwork. Or like hentai she makes. Polish alien, where are you? I jump over this. Who designed this game? It's actually so bad. Okay, Polish alien better not get me again. I'm not gonna make any more your hentai, you know, misandrous videos ever again, Polish alien. Stay away from me. It's Polish alien. Oh my god. Polish alien. Who is that? That must be Domina! That must be Dominic! Polish alien sin. Oh my days. Polish alien, where are you? Polish alien, I found an old video of you on TikTok of you doing some jumping jacks. Polish alien! Polish alien, I heard you want to give me a kiss. Polish alien. What's this? I'm so pissed off about Bianca. Bianca, stop locking me out. Bianca, share some of the food. Polish alien, no! No, Polish alien! Does Polish alien want to give me a kiss? Polish alien! Yes! Oh my god, stop! No! Polish alien, stop! Stop hitting me! Oh my god! Oh my gosh. Whoa, why is it so gassy in here? It's because of Bianca Donka. She's gassing up the whole place. Oh, I don't know. Polish alien. Polish alien. How did I get out of here before? It was like somewhere behind here. Yeah, it was here. Polish alien, where are you? Stop dragging me down to the basement. What's this? Polish alien, run away! Oh, fuck you, Polish alien! Get away, Polish alien! Stop, actually stop. Oh my gosh, game. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for Polish aliens. Exploring her house in Warsaw, Poland. It was really, really smelly. I would not recommend it. 1 star on TripAdvisor. Oh my gosh, of course they're doing that! Of course they're gonna charge €6 to play